Welcome dear listeners. In this video, we will learn few idioms with their meaning and application. On top of the chart is hear it on the grapevine. It means to hear rumors about something or someone. Rumors that spread from one person to another person. We can use it in a sentence like, I heard it on the grapevine that my best friend got promotion, but I really don't know much about it. Or other expression can be, I heard it on the grapevine that our neighbors are shifting to Mumbai, but I don't know how far it is true. The next idiom is when pigs fly. Well, it is used for something that will never happen, something that is unlikely to ever happen. For example, I asked my boss if I could go on 2 months vacation and he said, of course you can go when pigs fly. Another example is, I asked my father to buy me a motorcycle and he said, of course I will buy you a motorcycle when pigs fly. I got it that it was a big no. The next one in our treasure is a heart of gold. Dear listeners, it doesn't mean that your heart or other person's heart is made up of gold. No. Everyone's heart is made up of muscles, obviously, but yet it's an idiom only. A heart of gold. It means a person who is kind, caring, and generous. For example, my son has a heart of gold. He always gives his lunch to any stray dogs he sees when he walks to school. Another example can be, Madhur is almost absent-minded and absurd fellow in the class, but yet he has a heart of gold as far as poors are concerned. Close to the heels of heart of gold is our next idiom in a nutshell. It means a brief or short summary of something. When you summarize the whole paragraph or whole chat in 1 or 2 lines in concise form. Its example would be, it's complicated story, but in nutshell, my husband got a new job and we are moving to Greece next month. Major asked his soldier, please tell me your further move in nutshell. We don't have much time. Let's step on to the next idiom. Chasing rainbows. It means to constantly pursue things that are unrealistic. Running after dreams. Or in other words, we can simplify it. You want to achieve something which is really impossible. As in reality, we can never touch rainbows, so is the idiom. We can frame this idiom in our sentence like, she is trying to get into Harvard University, but I think she is chasing rainbows. Or other example can be, I know you want to become an actor, but I think you should stop chasing rainbows and get an office job. At snail's pace. Mind it, listeners. Snail is a sea animal which moves extremely slow. So, as the name suggests, it means very slowly. For example, traffic was moving at snail's pace. so I arrived 45 minutes late for work. Pace here means speed, with the speed of snail. We can understand it better with the help of another example. At snail's pace. She was driving at snail's pace, looking in every house. Next in our bunch is a drop in the bucket. A drop in the bucket. As the name suggests, bucket is a big container and a drop is a very small quantity. So, it means small or unimportant amount. For example, what we were paid for our work was a drop in the bucket as compared to what the company earned. Thanks for watching the video.